Good morning, everybody, and we will be continuing on with building 3 of the African American Museum. And this morning, I wanted to show you a couple of cool features about the system that I use um, while I'm going through showing you about this project. So here we are looking at building 3 of the African American Museum, and we're on the second floor here, so I'm just going to switch to the first floor, and you can see that this is the new construction. But what I want to really show you, you see I've already done the takeoff, but what I want to really show you is the fact that Plan Swift, which is the system that I use, allows you the capability of overlaying other drawings on top of the drawing that you're working on. So since this particular project has demo involved, what I've done was overlay the demo sheet on top of the new construction so that we can see exactly what has been demoed in the area that we're working in, just so that we can make sure that there's really nothing missing and nothing out of whack on the drawing that we're working on. So by simply turning the layer on and off, you can easily see what's being done and what has been done as far as with demolition work, to make sure that you have a complete understanding of the scope of work and to make sure that you're not missing anything. And if we look here, you can see that they're obviously doing some demo work in the front porch, or rather I'm sorry, this is the rear of the house, and then all of this work over here is being demoed, and you could see there are some demo notes along here as well. We can go and check these out. So we look at 1 and 18 on the demo, and 1 says remove rail and components, and 18 says remove slate treads, salvage for reinstallation. So we can easily see where the demo work is taking place, which gives us a really good idea that we're not missing anything in the new construction. And in here I could see some walls that are being removed, and new construction taking place along here. So obviously I would want to look and make sure that my wall construction, my new wall construction, is being picked up in this area. So I'll turn my layer off, and you could see the new wall construction right here. We'll go and look for that partition type. Go to the partition schedule, and it is a 2x4 stud. So it's a 2x4 stud wall, 1 layer drywall each side. So we're in good shape. So back to the demo. As far as building 3 is concerned, obviously by taking a look at that, you could see that the demo work is pretty much confined to this area, this entire area, which is the entry area of the building, and the front here, along with the fact that they will be demoing the gypboard walls, ceilings, and insulation will be removed as part of the mold remediation package. So apparently all of that will already be gone before we even begin work. Some other notes of interest: running trim, window, door, and case opening trim removed. retain and strip fireplace units, remove equipment including AC window units, water heaters and appliances, remove VCT carpet and ceramic tile flooring, remove paint from all interior trim, door frame, baseboard, shoe molding. So pretty much we're going to have a completely demoed building down to the sticks and reconstruct. So that's a overview of what's going to happen with the demo on this particular building. And with that in hand, I will turn off the layer. Moving to the second floor of building 3, I will go and turn on the demo layer. And you can clearly see that they're removing some walls. Let's see. Yeah. Removing these walls in here. And obviously doing some work to these windows. Other than that, the footprint remains the same. And we're pretty good. You can see the demo work outside. So it's easily discernible that this is completely new construction. We'll be moving a door from here to here, and as far as the drywall work is concerned, it's pretty much straightforward. First floor reflected ceiling plan. Typical straightforward drywall work. Checking out the system, we'll go back and check the wall sections, and in the existing building we can see once again that we're dealing with a 3-layer system. 2 layers for fire up against the joist and 1 suspended system. Okay, so typical, same thing as the last building, 3-layer ceiling system. Okay, moving to the second floor reflected ceiling plan. This is a little bit different in the fact that it's up in the roof area, and so this drywall will be following the rake of the roof. So I went to the elevations to get the pitch, and I just constructed a little layout right here of where the walls are, and this is going to be my layout of that room in that space. So it gives you an idea of the ceiling heights that you'll be dealing with. The ceiling from floor to ceiling is going to be almost 20 feet, so it'll be high work. Oh, I made a mistake there, excuse me. We'll bring this down to the floor. You're talking about 25 feet. Alright, with that wraps up Building 3 of the African American Museum. Up next, we'll move on to Building 4. See you in the next video.